Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to solve the numericals related to the chapter, that is force and pressure. What is meant by force? Force and pressure. Force, to pull or to push. To keep, to pull, to push is called as force. According to science, force is equal to mass into acceleration. And second, that is pressure. The force exerted perpendicularly on the surface area is called as the pressure, and pressure is equal to force upon area. The last week we have completed, or we have conducted 5 lectures on this chapter. Also we have conducted the test paper on this chapter. Many students have got very good marks in this test. I think Sampada has got out of marks, Apur, as well as Sambhavi, Jasmandi, Ayush also done very well in the previous test. Okay. Today we are going to continue the same chapter, but the remaining topic of the chapter, that is the numericals. Numericals are very important topic. You have numericals on the exam for 2 or 3 marks. Up to 7th, you didn't have numericals included in the exam, but from 8th, in 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, numericals are important in physics, and that is why we are very carefully attend this lecture and saw how to solve the exam and see how to solve the numericals. Okay, chalo, the topic, that is numerical, and numericals are related on the pressure. What is meant by pressure? We have already know about the definition of the pressure. Then formula of pressure. What is the formula of pressure? I write here. मैं यहाँ पे write करता हूँ. Pressure is equal to force upon area. Okay. Then the another important formula which are also related for numericals, that is density, and density is equal to mass upon volume. And third formula, we have given some numericals on that formula, that is relative density. What is the another name for relative density? Yes, who will tell me? I have already given the questions on our test paper. Relative density is also called as specific gravity for MC. Okay. Therefore, relative density is equal to relative density is equal to density of substance upon density of water, H2O for water. Okay. So today initially we are going to solve the textual examples, textual numericals which has given in your chapter, in your textbook. Means solve numericals, solve examples. So chalo, the first solve example we are going to solve here, that is, you have given the solve example on page number 21. आपके साइंस के बुक में 21 पेज पे solve example दिया है. We have step by step sequentially we are going to solve this examples first, and then the numericals are the examples in our exercise. Then we solve the numericals in our exercise. Okay. Now the first example we have given there. The area of the bottom of tiffin box is 0.25 meters square. Means you have given the area of tiffin box. Okay. First example. Solve example. solve examples. solve example. First example we have given there, that is area of tiffin box. Area denoted by capital A is equal to 0.25 meters square. 0.25 meters square, that is area you have given, and the weight of that tiffin box is weight, that is also force. Weight means force, therefore weight for W is also called as force, is equal to 50 Newton. Newton, in short, we have write N, capital N. Newton is the unit of force as well as the unit of weight. Then we want to find or calculate the area of, calculate the pressure exerted of the by the box on this cell. देखो area of tiffin box, that is 25 meters square. Weight or force exerted on that area, that is 50 meter, and we want to find the pressure. P is equal to question mark. Okay. Now, so here, see here, first pressure, second and third. There are three formulas given. First formula, pressure is equal to force upon area. Therefore, we have to use here this formula. Now, tell me, pressure is equal to, we have given the answer here. P is equal to force upon area. Okay. Now, substitute the values. What is the value? Force. Force is equal to 50 Newton upon area is equal to 0.25 meters square. 0.25 meters square. Okay. Now, देखो यहाँ पे after decimal you have given 2 digits. Decimal के बाद आपको 2 डिजिट दिया है, therefore we have to write 2 digits on the numerical. Numerical पे आप 2 digit write करो, means original number, that is 50. Then to remove this decimal, ये decimal remove करना है, we have substitute 2 more zeros on the numerator. Therefore the decimal will be removed. हो जाएगा 25 under 25, 25 2s are 50. Therefore pressure is equal to 200. What is the unit of pressure? Newton per meter square. This is the pressure exerted by box on that cell. वो box जो सेल जो प्रेशर एक्सर्ट करेगा वो कितना रहेगा? That is 200 न्यूटन पर मीटर स्क्वायर. ओके, ये पहला सम था आपके टेक्स्ट बुक में ऑन द पेज नंबर 21 पेज नंबर पे जो प्रेशर फॉर्मूला से रिलेटेड सम है. उसके बाद सेकेंड न्यूमेरिकल आल्सो गिवन ऑन द सेम पेज, दैट इज ये मैं रिपीट करता हूं. देखो area of tiffin box, that is 0.25 meter square. Okay. Second, whatever the weight, whatever the force exerted by the box is 50 Newton, and we want to calculate the pressure. How much the pressure exerted by that box on the cell? The formula देखो, I have already written here formulas: pressure, density, and relative density. We have given 2 values, therefore we want to find third value, that is pressure, and pressure is equal to force upon area. Substitute the value of force, also the value of pressure, area. By removing, if we want to remove this decimal, we have to add 2 zeros on the numerator. Therefore we got 5,000 upon 25 meters square. 25 under 25, 25 2s are 50, means that is 200 Newton per meter square is the pressure exerted by that box on the cell. Is it clear? ध्यान में रखो फर्स्ट फॉर्मूला. नाउ सेकेंड न्यूमेरिकल देखो ऑन द सेम पेज पे है, दैट इज First, initially, I read this numerical. Calculate the relative density of iron if the density of water is 10 cube meter kilogram per meter cube and the density of iron is 7.85 into 10 cube kilogram per meter cube, and we want to find relative density. Initially, which things are given here? Which thing has given here? Second numerical देखो. First we have given the density of water. Density of water, that is 10 cube kilogram per meter cube. Okay. And second, also we have given the density of substance, and that substance belongs to iron. Density of iron is equal to, that is 7. What is the density? Is 7.85 into 10 cube kilogram per meter cube. Okay. Now we want to find relative density. Relative density is equal to question mark. Okay. अभी देखो, which formula we have to use here? That is relative density is equal to density of substance upon density of water. कौन सा फॉर्मूला यूज करना है? रिलेटिव डेंसिटी का फॉर्मूला यूज करना है. Therefore, I write here relative density is equal to relative density is equal to density of substance, means iron, upon density of water. Now substitute the values. What is the density of iron? Density of iron is 7.85 into 10 cube. देखो 7.85 into 10 cube, that is unit kilogram per meter cube, upon what is the density of water? Density of water equal to 10 cube kilogram per meter cube. 10 cube kilogram per meter cube. Therefore, 10 cube get cancelled. Also, same unit has same unit, therefore kilogram per meter cube. Of numerator and denominator will be also cancelled. We got only 7.85. It has no unit. Relative density is unitless. It has no unit. Therefore, what is the relative density of iron? Relative density of iron. Relative density of iron is equal to 7.85. It has no unit. Relative density is also called as, what is the relative, another name for relative density? That is specific gravity. Okay. Now देखो second sum, second numerical, density of water we have given here, that is 10 cube kilogram per meter cube. Also you have given the density of iron. Density of iron is whatever substance you have given. In the second numerical we have given the substance, that is iron. Okay, and that density of iron is 7.85 into 10 cube kilogram per meter cube, and we want to find relative density. क्या फाइंड करने का है? Relative density फाइंड करने का है. Now we have a formula. Relative density is equal to density of iron upon density of water. Now substitute the both values. relative density of iron is given 7.85 into 10 to kilogram per meter cube per unit. Similarly, density of water that is 10 to kilogram per meter cube. In both cases, 10 cube get cancelled. Now, get cancelled. Kilogram per meter cube also cancel. Therefore, we got only 7.85. The relative density of iron is 7.85. It has no unit. Okay. उसके बाद next that is third sum. Area of the tip of screw is means area. We have given the area. Third sum. I write here. It is also on the page number that is ये भी तुम्हारे पेज का 20 से फर्स्ट पेज है that 21st पेज पे थर्ड सम the area of tip of screw is 0.5 millimeter square. देखो area of screw is equal to that is 0.5 millimeter square. 0.5 millimeter square. Second, that is weight of screw. We have given the weight of screw is equal to that is 0.5 Newton. Okay, and we want to find the pressure exerted on the वो प्रेशर कितना एक्सर्ट होता है जो कितना प्रेशर एक्सर्ट करता है वो फाइंड करने का एंड वी मस्ट फाइंड दैट प्रेशर इनटू पास्कल. नाउ इनिशियली व्हाट इज द यूनिट ऑफ एसआई यूनिट ऑफ एरिया? एसआई यूनिट ऑफ एरिया क्या है? मीटर स्क्वायर. ओके, वी हैव गिवन एरिया इन मिलीमीटर स्क्वायर. देयरफॉर we must convert the millimeter square into meter square. देखो while we solve any numericals, whatever the quantities we have given there, all quantities, units of all quantities must be in same method or same unit system. एक ही यूनिट सिस्टम में सबका यूनिट से वो होना चाहिए. It may be in the SI unit or it may be in the CGS unit. दोनों एक तो SI यूनिट होना चाहिए. मोस्टली कन्वर्ट ऑल द यूनिट्स इनटू SI फॉर्म. सब जो यूनिट्स होते हैं वो SI फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना चाहिए. देयरफॉर दिस मिलीमीटर स्क्वायर इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू 0.5 A is equal to A for area 0.5 millimeter square is equal to 5 into 1 2 3 4 5 6 minus 6 is 6. ये जो होता है देखो मिलीमीटर इंटू 1 2 3 4 5 6 that is meter square. Okay, उसके बाद this is equal to what we get here 0.5 into 10 raised to minus 6 meter. और मैं I have added another one more step here, that is 0.5 upon 1 2 3 4 5 6 means 10 into minus 6, sorry 10 into 6 meter square. Therefore 0.5 is 10 into 6 upward जाएगा means at the place of numerical, therefore it will become negative, means we get 10 to minus 6 meter square, means area A is equal to 0.5 millimeter square is equal to 0.5 to 10 raised to minus 6 millimeter square. Then we have given the weight. Now the pressure is equal to force upon area. What is the force? Force is equal to 0.5 Newton upon pressure, that is 0.5 into 10 raised to minus 6 meters square. Okay, 0.5 get cancel. We only get, देखो ये 0.5 get cancel, means 1 Newton upon 10 raised to minus 6 meters square. Okay, this minus 6 sorry, again upward जाएगा, converted into positive, therefore pressure is equal to 1 into 10 raised to 6 Newton per meter square. Okay, and we know 10 Newton per meter square is also called as Pascal. Therefore, what is the pressure? P is equal to 10 raised to 6 Pascal. Okay, now again repeat this third sum. Area of cube is 0.5 millimeter square, means you have given the area in the millimeter square. First we want to convert this millimeter square into meter square. Therefore 0.5 millimeter square, 0 is equal to 0.5 upon 10 lakh meter square, then 10 lakh is 10 raised to 6 meter square, then this 10 raised to 6 we get in at the numerator, it will become negative, therefore 0.5 to 10 raised to minus 6 meter square, means area 0.5 millimeter square is equal to 0.5 into 10 raised to minus 6 meter square. We have already given the pressure, force or weight is equal to 0.5 Newton. Substitute the values of force and area. 0.5 get cancelled at the four places, means we get only 1 Newton upon 10 raised to minus 6 meter square. This minus 6 again we get upward or at the place of numerator, therefore it will become positive, means pressure is equal to 1 into 10 raised to 6 Newton per meter square, and Newton per meter square is also called as Pascal. Therefore pressure is equal to 10 raised to 6 Pascal. Okay, now next sum, it is also given. There is a rectangular box we have given, and we want to find the area of cross section of each side. देखो फोर्थ सम ऑन द पेज नंबर 21, वो फोर्थ सम जो है 21 पेज पे दिया है. Now देखो what is the fourth sum? Fourth sum कौन सा है? That is we have given the rectangular box or cuboid is also called as cuboid. देखो ये cuboid है. This is the cuboid. Cuboid, the upper face of the cuboid is is the surface of the cuboid. Okay, then this is the side face of cuboid is then the front face of cuboid, it is the front face. This is the front face of cuboid. Okay, now cuboid has given the length that is A, B, C, D, E, F and G. Now the mass of the block of metal is 10 kg. Means we have given the mass for that is the fourth sum. M is equal to 10 kg. We have given M is equal to given M is equal to mass is equal to 10 kg. Then the dimension of the length that is 50 cm, breadth 10 cm and height 20 cm. Therefore dimension that is 50 cm, this 50 cm. Okay, now if the width is given and it is width or breadth is 10 cm and height that is 20 cm. These are the dimensions or the measurements of that cuboid or rectangular box. Now, if the metal block is placed on the following surfaces on the table, find out on which the fourth surface A, B, C, D, second C, D, E, F and third that is B, C, H. Okay, now first surface area of surface that is A, B, C, D. Now A, B, C, D. A, B, okay, C, D. A, B, C, D. What is the area of A, B, C, D? Area of A, B, C, D is, therefore this side AG, therefore it is also on which side? 20 cm. So area of A, B, C, D is equal to L into breadth. L for 50 cm, 50 cm means देखो 50 cm is equal to 0.5 meter, 10 cm is 0.1 meter and 20 cm is 0.2 meter. Okay, substitute this value 0.5 into what is the breadth, that is 0.2. Therefore area of surface that is ABCD is equal to 0.10 meters square. Now what is the mass? Mass is equal to 10 kg. Okay, now force is equal to mass into acceleration. Therefore we have given mass that is 10 kg into we have also given the value of G and that value of G is 9.8. Remember G for gravity 9.8. देखो ये जो ग्रेविटी होता है 9.8, the gravity therefore 9.8 is equal to 98 Newton. 10 into 9.8 means 98 Newton. Similarly, we want to find the pressure. Pressure is equal to force upon area. Force is equal to 98 Newton upon area is equal to 0.1. 10 meters per means 0.1. Therefore, if we want to calculate the 0.1 into 10 अभी दोनों को 10 ने मल्टीप्लाई किया, therefore we got 980 Newton upon 0.1 into 10 means that is 1 meter square. Therefore, how much the pressure? 980 Newton per meter square. Okay, देखो area of ABCD, length into breadth. First, I have converted the length and breadth and height into meter. Then calculate the force. And every time, what is the force? Each time you should apply the force, value of force, that is 98 Newton. अभी हर सरफेस के लिए आप ये वैल्यू क्या करो, अप्लाई करो. देन सेकेंड फाइंड द एरिया. सेकेंड जो एरिया है that is area of CDEF. Area of the CDEF. Okay. Now CDEF देखो, CDEF. Okay, CDEF के लिए देखो, this is the AB opposite side of CD. AB and CD are the opposite side, therefore it is also 0.5. Okay. Then BG and CM are equal. BG is equal to 0.1 meter, therefore it is also 0.1 meter. In this way, by taking the area of CDEF is equal to 0.5 into 0.1, तो आपको एरिया मिल जाएगा. अगेन using this formula, pressure is equal to force upon area. Value of pressure that is 980 or 98 into जो भी होगा 10 into whatever area you have. यहाँ पे जो एरिया मिलेगा वो एरिया सब्स्टिट्यूट करो, you will get the exerting pressure. Okay. Now the last sum, that is a piece of marble type weighs 100 gram in air. If the density is 2.5 gram per centimeter, cubic centimeter, what will be its weight in water? देखो, this is the weight of the tile. Fifth sum, we have given here weight of the tile in air. Weight of tile in air, that is 100 gram. Okay. Then the density is equal to 2.5. Density is equal to 2.5 gram per centimeter cube. Then volume is equal to, first initially we want to find the volume. What is by volume? Volume is equal to, this is not weight, it is mass. Volume is equal to we have the formula, that is density is equal to mass upon volume. Density is equal to mass upon volume. B is equal to M upon V. Therefore, volume is equal to यहाँ पे V इधर रहेगा, V is equal to mass upon density, means 100 upon density, that is 2.5 gram upon gram per centimeter cube. Gram get cancelled, is equal to 40 centimeter cube is the volume of the tile. Then according to देखो, if we place, what is the actual weight, that is what is the sum, देखो what will be its weight in water. देखो, the weight in air, that is वेट कितना आएगा एयर में, तो माइनस करो मीन्स 40 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब। इफ वी माइनस देन 100 में से 40 माइनस करो, यू विल गेट द सम, सॉरी यू विल गेट द वेट इन वाटर दैट इज 60 ग्राम। 100 माइनस 40 इज इक्वल टू 60। अभी वो सॉल्व न्यूमेरिकल आप टेक्स्ट बुक में अच्छे से देख लो। इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो वी विल सॉल्व द न्यूमेरिकल्स इन एक्सरसाइज। अगले जो वीडियो हम बनाएंगे, हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो वर्चुअल क्लास जो रहेगा हमारा, इसी वर्चुअल क्लास में वी विल कंडक्ट द टेक्सचुअल और न्यूमेरिकल्स इंक्लूडेड इन योर exercise. Okay, if you like this video, share it, like it, subscribe my channel, press bell icon, that's why you will get the notification of latest videos. Thank you.